Today we bring you this market report of Gurgaon's prime Sona Road region. This arterial road that runs parallel to the NH8 or National Highway 8 has been hot on every property investor's radar. But also worth noting is how Sona Road's property bazaar has expanded into two new housing hubs. Vasudha Sharma finds out whether these developing locations that ride on the name Sona Road are worth being on your house hunting list.
This is the road that is opening up the horizon of a greater Gurgaon. Sona Road is an established real estate corridor of premium residences, shopping malls and A-grade commercial offices. The success of this market has given birth to new property hubs that are riding on the Sona Road fame. Sectors 68 to 80 that fall between Sona Road and NH8 is an upcoming residential hub of premium housing. These sectors connected by Sona Road saw project launches by top developers like DLF, Tata Housing, Godrej, Unitech when the market was on an upswing. Over the last few years, over 30 developers have entered this nascent chunk of land. Prices here average at about 6,650 rupees per square foot, and today the slump in investor demand has hit this region hard.
One of the challenges I think that Sona Road is currently facing is that a lot of investors have put in money at well-priced projects, that a lot of the premium has already been built in and construction has not followed at the pace that was expected. So until we find that construction has caught up and people are building the homes that they have promised to customers, we don't see any appreciation there for a little while.
These sectors which piggyback on Sona Road's name lack social infrastructure and public amenities. An important link road that will improve accessibility to these sectors is the 150-meter wide Southern Peripheral Road. But even this project has been on hold for years now because of a court stay on land acquisition. The local landowners now claim a big breakthrough has been achieved in the case.
उन्होंने कहा जी गैर मुमकिन आबादी है, तो कोर्ट कहने लगा नहीं मैं नहीं मानता, सेक्शन 4 से पहले जो मकान बने हैं आपने कानून बना रखा है कि उसके तहत इनको ज़मीन दी जाए। तो कोर्ट ने कहा कि भाई आप इनको सेम पॉलिसी और ए क्लास के मकान और इसी सेक्टर में ट्रांसफ़र करो और तब रूट को इस रोड को निकालो। अगर नहीं करते हो तो फिर इस रूट को बदलेंगे रोड को।
With this court order, the land dispute over the Southern Peripheral Road is an open and shut case. There is enough vacant land here to relocate the affected farmers, and there is enough land to even realign the road by a few kilometers. But just like the Dwarka Expressway, here too the Haryana Urban Development Authority seems to be digging its heels when it can easily resolve the matter.
With such poor livability, prices here in these sectors are a complete mismatch, and investors should do their due diligence.
My recommendation to investors would be, first of all, to have a horizon which is at least 3 to 5 years. In fact, I would say nothing less than 5 years. The other thing that I would recommend is that if it is a pure investment call, then one should be very, very confident about the execution capabilities of the developer.
The other housing hub that Sona Road has carved out is in Sona town proper. Labelled as Greater Gurgaon, Sona's real estate market boomed right after the Sona 2031 master plan was notified in 2012. Today, Sona is an affordable alternative to Gurgaon, with flats here available at a starting price of 3,500 rupees per square foot.
हम लोगों ने भी एक टाउनशिप प्रोजेक्ट लेके आए हैं सोना के अंदर 140 एकड़ की टाउनशिप। इसके अंदर ग्रुप हाउसिंग भी होगा, प्लाटेड डेवलपमेंट भी हैं और फ्लोर्स वगैरह और इंडिपेंडेंट हाउसेस भी हम लोग बना रहे हैं।
A 90-meter wide link road from Gurgaon Sector 63 to Sona town has been proposed to reduce the travelling time between Gurgaon and Sona. With camera person AJ Joseph, Vasudha Sharma, NDTV.